guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share. This is a pocket letter that I am doing for a friend. We are in a continuing swap where we try to do monthly, but we haven't done one for a couple months because of the holidays. But we do a swap of the fruits of the spirit, and we have done love and joy, and I will put the links for those down below. And so now we are on peace. So I wanted to show you what I did. I used the Carpe Diem Faith paper kit, and I used the papers from that kit, this floral here and that floral, and this was one of the journaling cards in the kit. And then I also used some coordinating blue and peach cardstock. So I used, up at the top here, I have this little daisy print on here and here. I used some stickers on all three of the cards with some enamel dots that are in the kit. And then I added some pink gingham and this polka dot, the mint polka dot there. And then on the middle aisle, the middle row, I used this floral, multicolored floral on both of those. And I tied it with some yellow polka dot ribbon and added a couple of illustrated faith stickers there. And then I added some flowers that I had in my stash with some more enamel dots in the middle there. And then this was one of the journaling cards that I cut down, and I mounted it on some paper. And then along the bottom, I printed out this verse. It says, "In peace I will lie down and fall asleep for you alone. Lord, make me secure." Psalm 4. And it has a really pretty rose little flowers there. And then I added some paper flowers with some enamel dots in the corners. And then here, I kind of mimicked up here with the bird and the blue little band there, but then I tied some green ribbon with the polka dots. And then over here, I used the daisy paper again with some pink gingham ribbon and some pink flowers with an enamel dot in the middle. And then one of the flowers from the a flower sticker from the collection. And then I added some mint blue, or not mint, but blue glitter washi tape on the edge and tied it with some pink gingham. And then on the other side, I don't have it totally full, but I added some buttons and some stickers here and some die cuts. I made some flower paper clips there, and I made some mini envelopes up there. And then these are some letter stickers that they're like some dimensional cards that you that spell out peace. And then I still need to write my letter, and I'd probably add some goodies to the top ones up there. So I think it turned out super cute. I love the color combination and the papers. And if I can find the Carpe Diem collection for you, I will put links down below, as well as links to my other 2 pocket letters that I do for the swap. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.